The broker and broker's role fields allow you to assign this internal broker record to one of your brokers and select their role in the transaction. By assigning the broker field, you are assigning the commission earned in the field below to the broker and can therefore track their performance in reports. The broker's role field allows you to show which client this broker represented in the deal. For developer sale transactions, this will either be seller's agent if the buyer is represented by a broker from an agency, or buyer and seller's agent if your broker is representing the buyer directly. This could be the buyer, seller, or buyer and seller's broker in a sale transaction, or the tenant, landlord, or the tenant and landlord's broker in a rental transaction. For sale and rental transactions, they could also be the middle broker if this broker was the go-between for the brokers in the transaction. For all transaction types, if you have a team manager in your organization that receives a management override commission on their team's transactions, you can add them as an internal broker record and set this broker's role to team manager. It is important to set these fields correctly as they affect the total internal broker's commission and total management override fields in the transaction as well as the reporting module.